The release of the iPhone 15 is probably just 2 months away. It won't be long before Apple unveils its newest lineup of iPhones in September. The good news is that the impending iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone Pro Max models have already been accurately portrayed by leaks. The Plus edition has little specifics, although the company is anticipated to release it as well. In place of Apple's Lightning connector, which was present on earlier models, the 2023 iPhones are said to have a USB Type-C connection as one of the greatest improvements. The punch-hole display design is said to be included on all models of the iPhone 15 series. Because Apple is having production-related problems with the new appearance, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, which were originally believed to have a buttonless design, are now reportedly coming with conventional button designs. As a result, the old 2-button volume control design will still be present. This does not, however, imply that the company is not contemplating making more modifications to the iPhone design for 2023. The old mute switch button may be replaced with a new design, if leaks are to be believed. The new one could function similarly to the Apple Watch Ultra's customizable action button. However, it's possible that this will just apply to Pro models, with the standard iPhone 15 models keeping their old mute switch. According to the leaks, Apple will likely include bigger camera modules at the rear of the phones. The iPhone 15 series may also have slimmer bezels, which will result in a somewhat larger screen area. Additionally, it is said that the Pro models have more contoured frames for a better grip on the gadgets. Numerous information regarding the impending iPhone 15 has been made public online before its debut. The phone is expected to have Apple's Bionic A16 chipset, which was employed in the iPhone 14 Pro models from the previous year. The company used this strategy for the first time last year when it offered premium phones for a reduced price with a 1-year-old chipset. It is anticipated that this tactic will also be used with the new models. Apple's newest Bionic A17 CPU is expected to be used in the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, which are anticipated to be the most costly smartphones of the year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.